Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're all staying safe. Today I wanted to just do a quick video. We're going to make a simple bread dish, is the closest thing I can describe it as for my friends overseas. We're making damper. It's only 3 ingredients and one of those is salt. And we're going to keep it so simple that we're not even going to use a loaf pan. It's just a sheet of baking paper on a flat pan. 3 ingredients. We're going to bring it all together. So it's self-raising flour, milk and salt. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So damper is a traditional Australian bush bread that would normally be made over a campfire, or actually baked in the coals of the campfire. And it is something that you can just whip together as an afternoon snack. I'm using it this week to pad out my bread because we're running out of bread at home. And we're also we've run out of fresh milk, so we're on long life stuff. So I'm actually using long life milk for this. So use what you've got. It is something that I'm going to use, as I said, to substitute bread a little. Instead of things like toast, we're going to have some warm damper with some golden syrup or some butter on it, which is how it's normally served. You could probably put Nutella or jam or whatever you would like on it. So it's a crumbly, dense bread. It's a little bit drier, less fluffy than what a typical bread is. So I added 4 sifted cups of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and I've warmed up the long life milk. So 1.5 cups of milk, and we're going to tip it in, and it is so simple. It's put the ingredients in the bowl, mix it up. When it comes together, you just shape it into a loaf, and then we're going to put it in the oven. So I like to get the ingredients together a little bit and then knead it. It's up to you how you do it. If it's going to come together in the bowl and you're happy to just keep stirring, you can just do it that way. We're keeping it simple. So those of you who don't cook a lot and just want to do something or need to do something as a lack of alternative at the moment, this will be the dish for you. So I'll just put some music on while we knead it out, and then we'll get back together when we're putting it in the oven. Okay, so that's come together, and like I said, it's supposed to be rustic. Just shape it up like a loaf, whack it on a baking tray, and we're just going to cut the top a little bit with a knife. And you can see it's really just a lump of dough. So we're going to bake it in the oven for 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Alright, that's us done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.